Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Broth Maggi, easy method. Start by simmering bones or vegetable scraps with onions, garlic, and celery to build a rich base, then strain and skim fat carefully. Keep the heat low and taste frequently while adding Maggi seasoning gradually. Finish with a splash of acid and fresh herbs, cool properly, and store in the refrigerator or freeze for later use. I walk you through simple ingredients and basic tools to make Broth Maggi at home. Gather bones or vegetables, onions, carrots, celery, garlic, bay leaves, whole peppercorns, salt, and Maggi seasoning. Use a large stock pot or pressure cooker, fine mesh strainer, and ladle. Chop ingredients roughly, no need for perfection. Keep water ratio around 1 gallon per 4 pounds of bones for balanced extraction and yield. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like the video to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: I love the book The Simple Path to Wealth for Practical Money Habits, and it pairs humorously with making budget-friendly Broth Maggi at home. It explains saving and investing clearly. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider picking up a copy if you want simple financial guidance. Now let's get back to the video. Here are step-by-step techniques to extract maximum flavor for Broth Maggi. Roast bones or tomatoes for caramelized depth, then deglaze the pan with a little water. Maintain a gentle simmer and avoid boiling to keep clarity. Skim foam in the first 30 minutes and strain through cheesecloth for smooth texture. Add Maggi seasoning at the end, tasting for balance between salt and umami before cooling and safely storing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.